Hey, what's up, Tron holder? This is very important and very urgent update, my brother, for all Tron holder. Because, my brother, in this video, if you, my friend, just and only do this mistake what I taught you in this video, my brother, please, you will completely lost. So try to understand, watch this video completely, and be safe from the lost, my brother. Yes, remember, my brothers, to and those days, especially short-term investors, they are starting selling. So definitely, if a holder are starting selling, so the coin is dumps down, the coin is completely going the garbage. So try to understand, please, holder, my friend, you how you can be safe, my brother, from lost if you are a long-term investor. So what you need to do now, so everything I will tell you in this video, but kindly please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you will be doing this, my brother. The last 7 days chart is I already open, my friend, and I will predicate this coin to understand holder to what's going to be next in upcoming time. Can they will give us a profit or they will lose now? So first of all, as you can see, my brother, they will take a chain occur, you can see here. So 13.43%, very good profit, my brother. And the price is 0.063084 USD dollar. That's clear, my brother. So you can see here they will move upward, and absolutely they cannot fall down. They will move upward hour by hour, minute by minute. That's the point, my friend. You can see here the highest point, and absolutely, my brother, after this jump, my brother, you can see here the coin is will be very fastly moving upward, starting moving upward. So definitely I know to upcoming time they will also take a very huge jump now like that, but just in only if you hold it. So if you have any plan to invest more, so go now, don't miss the chance, don't waste your time, and go now and do this, my friend. So I hope in upcoming time they will give us profit, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.